Hi, my name is Samir Malik, and I'm a private tutor for middle school and high school students in the Austin, Texas area. Today I'm going to be describing how we can solve linear inequalities graphically. We'll need to have a coordinate plane, so both x and y axis when we're solving for linear inequalities, and then we can graph them accordingly to solve for the equation. So I'd like to illustrate this to you by graphing it out with an example I have also. So here we have an equation which is y is less than or equal to 2x plus 3, and we need to graph it. So what we do first is we go ahead and set the equation so we have y equals 2x plus 3 first, and then we can draw our little table with our x and y values. So we have x is 0, y is 3, x is 1, and y becomes 5. And then what we do is we go ahead and graph accordingly. So we have x is 0, y is 1, so that's 1 point, x is 1, x is 0, and y is 3. So we have 1, 2, and 3. And then we have x is 1 and y is 5. So we have 4, 5. We have 1. So we have this equation right here. And we basically connect the dots together to draw that equation. And it's y has to be less than 2x plus 3. So if y has to be less than 2x plus 3, then we make sure that everything under this would be true for that equation, because y has to be less than 2x plus 3 on our graph. So this is how we would graph a linear inequality. So this basically concludes how we can solve and graph for a linear inequality based on, first of all, taking the inequality and then using our x and y coordinates to graph it accordingly.